If you're intrigued by the world of luxury watches and have a penchant for Rolex, this guide is your essential roadmap to acquiring a Rolex timepiece without breaking the bank. In the realm of Rolex watches, renowned for their high price tags, we're about to reveal the secret to securing your dream Rolex at an unbelievably attractive price point. Welcome to Capital Luxury, where opulence meets horology. If you want to keep updated with the watch industry, keep watching Rolex Oyster Perpetual. Our journey begins with the Rolex Oyster Perpetual. In the years 2020 and 2021, the Oyster Perpetual market experienced a surge in demand, driven by the introduction of vibrant new dials. This period left a lasting impression, generating both excitement and the sense of curiosity, especially when the word Tiffany was mentioned. This demand spike, while still affecting certain models, has paved the way for those with a preference for timeless, simple, and traditional Oyster Perpetual designs. A standout choice within this category is the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 12400. This particular model features a black dial and a modest 34mm diameter. Its understated elegance appeals to those who appreciate classic horology. What's remarkable is that these watches can be found through authorized dealers, some of whom still offer them at their official retail prices. Despite not being in the limelight as much as other Rolex models, the charm of the 34mm version lies in its subtlety. Rolex Explorer, our next stop, takes us into the captivating world of Rolex Explorer watches, with a specific focus on the classic 36mm version. The intriguing two-tone variation of this model has piqued interest and challenged initial skepticism. The two-tone Rolex Explorer, which incorporates yellow-gold elements, has proven to be a pleasant surprise for many enthusiasts. It may look flashy in photos, but in person, it radiates sophistication and class. If you're a fan of the traditional Explorer or have an eye for the two-tone style, there's good news. These watches can be found in the secondary market at prices below their original retail value, often around $11,000. The actual selling prices tend to be even more attractive, with a downward trend expected to continue. Now, consider the stainless steel version, identified by the reference 12,427. While its price at a Rolex store is approximately $7,500, exploring online platforms may reveal listings closer to $8,700. Keep in mind that secondary market prices can vary. Rolex GMT Master 2. Our guide then shifts its focus to the Rolex GMT Master 2 collection. Notably, the white gold and full Everose gold versions have garnered attention for their changing market dynamics. These models, initially priced significantly, are now making their way towards more accessible ranges. For instance, the white gold version, which once carried a higher retail price, can now be found online at a more budget-friendly cost. Similarly, the full Everose gold model, originally in a similar price bracket, has occasionally been listed at reduced prices on online platforms. However, it's essential to exercise caution, as the gap between advertised and actual selling prices may fluctuate. Conversely, the two-tone GMT model, despite its premium retail price, continues to maintain demand and value, often exceeding the initial purchase price. Nevertheless, there's an intriguing possibility on the horizon. It's conceivable that this two-tone GMT model might eventually fall below its retail price. These trends in the precious metal GMT models may offer insights into broader market dynamics, suggesting potential decreases in prices for other professional models in the future. Rolex Sea Dweller 37mm and 40mm. Our exploration continues with the Rolex Sea Dweller collection, available in 37mm and 40mm versions. Currently, Both models command prices at or above their retail values. However, indications in the watch world suggest that their values may gradually decline, positioned as a more luxurious and slightly less everyday alternative to the Submariner. The Yachtmaster collection offers similar styles but with elevated features, such as bezels and dials made of 950 platinum. These watches also boast water resistance up to 100 meters, meeting practical needs for many. However, personal preferences play a significant role in watch selection. The 37mm steel version is priced differently from its 40mm counterpart. Prices in the secondary market may differ from listed prices, and geographical factors can significantly impact watch costs. Just last month, pre-owned Rolex watch prices continued their downward trajectory, further distancing the brand from its competitors, such as Cartier and Omega, and a slew of more budget-friendly labels in the secondary market. According to data from the Bloomberg Sub-Dial Watch Index, Rolex experienced a 2.2% dip in market prices. This decline can be attributed to a sense of caution among collectors who hesitated to invest in high-end timepieces following the price surge in 2021 and 2022. Although Rolex bore the brunt of the price decline, all watchmakers reported negative results. Omega, renowned for models like the Speedmaster Moonwatch, saw a 1.2% drop, while Cartier's offerings, including the Tank and Santos, experienced the smallest decrease at 0.4%. Tudor, often considered Rolex's more affordable sibling, saw a decline of 1.8%. Now, over the past half a year, the Bloomberg Sub-Dial Watch Index, which tracks data for the 50 most traded timepieces, witnessed a 5% reduction in prices. In the same period, the entry-level 100 index reported a more modest decline of just 0.7%. Before we move on to more fascinating Rolex models, here's a tip. If you found these insights valuable so far, don't forget to subscribe to Capital Luxury and stay updated with all the latest news and trends in the world of luxury watches. Rolex Explorer 2. Our spotlight now shines on another fantastic Rolex model, the Rolex Explorer 2. This hidden gem within the Rolex collection, particularly the version with a black dial, has gained popularity as its price becomes more affordable. Surprisingly, the Explorer 2 often goes unnoticed, despite its dedicated fan base. This particular Explorer 2, identified as reference 226,570, comes in a 42mm stainless steel case and includes a GMT hand. Currently, it's valued within a certain price range. However, industry chatter suggests that its price might soon drop below its initial retail value. For those who appreciate its style and heritage, older Explorer 2 references are available for around $8,700, presenting an excellent value proposition considering the quality and features they offer. Rolex Day-Date. In the realm of luxury watches, certain Day-Date 840 models have transitioned into the secondary market, where they are available at or near their original retail prices. The Day-Date, an iconic timepiece synonymous with Rolex's prestige, was initially celebrated for its renowned President's Bracelet. Among the various Day-Date 840 variations, those with Roman numeral dials stand out as more budget-friendly choices. Surprisingly, the most affordable options among them have garnered attention due to their competitive prices. You can find these watches for costs similar to purchasing from a Rolex boutique, while authorized dealers offer a seamless and reliable buying experience. The secondary market offers an alternative route. Recent trends indicate a continued decrease in the prices of these watches over time. As we conclude our journey through the world of accessible Rolex watches, We hope this guide has equipped you with valuable insights into securing a Rolex timepiece at an attractive price. Remember, the luxury watch market is dynamic and subject to fluctuations, making it essential to stay informed. Which of these watches has become your favorite? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this expert guide and wish to stay updated with the latest news and trends in the world of luxury timepieces, subscribe to Capital Luxury. Until next time, happy watch hunting.